we are going to be dealing with Python's input-output capabilities. That is the read, write, and manipulation of files. And then we're going to show you examples and how to use it. So let's start with opening and closing of files. So for this, you have to use the open function, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's create a file here. Let's call it open.py. Like this. So this is how you open a file. For example, if we'll have to create this file here, example.txt. Then we have like to read it. So read. That should be all right. Let's see if it works, but I need to create the file here. So example.txt. And let me put something in it. Hello. Okay. So you don't need that. Let's see. So let's run this. So Python and .py. You need to save this. So we just read it, but we haven't displayed anything. So that is how you read the file. If you want to write it, you use the W. If you're closing the file, you use the function. Close the file, you need to say file.close. So I just wanted, first of all, to be able to show you the two opening and closing functions, and then reading from a file. Now, for example, what we have, let's read something. So this is a file, open, so that will be it. So how do we get the content? So you can get the content here. There's no need for this. You can just see content is equals file dot read. So that is how, sorry, I think I made a mistake here. Control K, KU. Dot read. Let's print the content here and see if that's what we get, and then we need to close it. File dot close. So let's see. You see, it reads the file because you're printing the content here. So that is how you read the entire content. So we've shown you how to read a file, we've shown you how to close the file. Now let's show you how to write the file. So close that, write.py. So let's clear this. So with, let's just use open. I want to write this file, output.txt. We are not reading it anymore, we are writing it as file. Then let's file.write hello Bitonga. So save that. Let's see Python write. Let's see if we get a new file, output.txt hello Bitonga. So that is how you write a file. What about if you wanted to just append into the file? So let's create a new file here, append.py. So sorry, append. So if you wanted to append, first of all, open the file. You need to open output.txt, then of course it's an append. So, and also as file, and then what do you do? File dot write. Then what do you want to write? Take it to a new line. Then is an additional sentence test. That should be it. So let's see if we get a new line. So Python and look for output.txt here. So you get the new line, get the space, and then get the space here, and then you have appended the text onto the file.